your girl Mackenzie. Welcome back to my channel. So, I don't even know why I'm being so quiet. I don't need to be. So, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a just a fake black eye for maybe to prank your friends, to prank your boyfriend, to prank your mom, to prank your dad, to prank your brother, to prank your stepsister, to prank your aunt. I don't care who, but to prank someone or just to learn for the future. So. This is not something you need to do. If you feel the need to do it, then go ahead, go for it. But this is not something you need to do. Hold on, I got a notification. I film on my phone, so yeah, that's not something you need to do. It just happened. You can just do it if you want. I took off my case for this video because I film on my phone tripod, and this case is so thick that's hard to do it. So I mean. Yeah. So first things first, you're going to grab your foundation. If you don't have some, you can grab powder. I have powder too, but I mean, foundation works best for this. And you're going to, this is actually my old blush brush, but I don't have a foundation brush right now because I lost it. So I'm just using my old blush brush since I have a new blush brush. This thing's so hard to get out. It's almost empty, but it's okay. So you're going to just put it, close your eye, the eye that you want to put it on. So I'm going to put this on my right eye. It's, if you're facing me, which obviously you are because it's a camera, this is going to be left to you, but this is actually my right eye. So I'm going to close my eye and just put it all right here. And the reason why I do this is so like when I start the black eye, because you're going to need a lot of dark colors, I do that so it won't stain my face. Which, it's not like going to stain permanently. It'll just stain until you can actually get the materials to wash it off, like makeup remover, which I have some, but, you know, this is just what I do, just to be on the safe side so it doesn't stain my face and it's easier to get off. So yeah, I'm just doing that. See, there's foundation right on my eye. And now I do not have any makeup on right now. I have no makeup, but now I have makeup on because, you know, foundation's makeup. So, I'm going to put on the lid. And I'm going to get some of my dark colors. I don't have a lot of dark palettes, but this is my darkest one. Well, actually I have another palette with black, but I don't know what that palette is. I have no idea where that palette is, but that's okay. We'll figure it out. We'll improvise. If you have black, then use that first. That's the first thing that you want to use. But if not, then go with your brown. So in here, there's two browns that I have. I have the glam brown, which you do if you have a glam brown. It depends what kind of glam. If it's like glam just like straight, like the transition, which is right there, then that's okay. But if you have the glam like this one that I have, the glittery one, then don't use that because if you're trying to prank someone, it won't look like a black eye if you're using glitter. So yeah, I have my makeup brush right here, so I'm going to use transition brown. I only use the transition brown if I'm doing costume makeup because I like the glam way better on me, so yeah, right now that's what I'm doing. I'm just putting this on. I'm gonna do that. Yeah, there we go. You know what? Hold on. I'm just gonna put my hair half up so it won't keep getting in the way. I don't care. Usually I use brushes to help me with this, but like my brush is in the bathroom. I'm not going to go to the bathroom. So this is going to look the best, but I'm just going to take it out anyways after I'm done, so I'm okay with it. Okay, there we go. That's better. So yeah, you're just going to apply this brown or black. So if you have blacks, you're going to do black then brown, just around your eye where you want it to be. So this is just a matter of fact of playing with it, making sure you like it, and making sure that it looks real to you, your liking of a black eye. Like everybody has a different liking of black eyes, like if they're doing costume makeup. Sorry, I'm looking in the camera right now. On my phone camera. So there we go. So then a lot of times if I don't have a black eyeshadow, I'll grab my mascara because I don't use mascara often, so it's not like I'm wasting it. I just don't use mascara. So I just like don't do a lot because otherwise it'll smear and just look awful. I'm just gonna grab another. No, that's not the brush I use. I'm just gonna use this to blend it in. Make sure it's really blended in there. Sometimes you might have to use your finger. And this will dry after a while, so that's why you want to need wipes or something. And then sometimes I'll have to redo parts if I do too much at the back. And also, a lot of people with black eyes, it's kind of red and puffy, so you're going to use blush for that. And this is all the stuff that most people have at home. Because I don't have a huge makeup selection that a lot of people who do fake black eyes have. So I don't know why I'm being quiet. So just make it red and puffy, like that. And that's all you really need to know for making a black eye. You could always add some extra stuff, like if you want it to be bleeding a little bit, you could add red lip gloss or lipstick. It depends what kind of blood you want. If you want it to be more like a dry blood look, you want a lipstick. If you want like more of a like dripping look, you like a wet blood look, you want more like lip gloss. Trust me, this helps when we show you the finished product. Here's my black eye. That looks so real. So yeah, that's how I do my black eye. Sorry, I'm taking out my hair. So yeah, that's how I do my black eyes. I have done black eyes a couple times for TikToks. But mainly what I do is dances and just fun stuff. But I have done POVs and stuff, so that's really fun. But yeah, link will be down in the description to, sorry guys, I do not know why it ended, but anyways, link will be down in the description to my social media, such as my TikTok, my Facebook, and my Instagram. So yeah, but I really hope you liked this video, and if you did, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, turn on post notifications so you don't miss a video every time I post, and I'll see you guys next time.